hard on me. I need some time alone to deal with issues. Something makes me carry on. It's difficult to understand why I always wanna fight. I do it for the drugs. I do it just to feel alive. I do it for the love that I get from the bottom of a bottle. You always call me and ask me how I make it through the day. I'm always falling. I guess it's just God's way of making me pay. Something makes me carry on. It's difficult to understand why I always wanna fight. I do it for the drugs. I do it just to feel alive. I do it for the love that I get from the bottom of a bottle. I do it for the drugs. I do it just to feel alive. Do it for the love that I get from the bottom of a bottle. And I wonder why I try. And I wonder why I bother. And I wonder why I cry. Why I go through all this trouble. I do it for the drugs. I do it just to feel alive. Do it for the love that I get from the bottom of a bottle. I do it for the drugs. I do it just to feel alive. Do it for the love that I get from the bottom of a bottle.
Who plays the best in local music in the Tri-Cities. The one and only Tri-City Local Music Radio.
This is Justin Hageman.
Brandon Bain and Bill Bessing's back.
You listen to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Holding on to everything in the past. Sanded down, you thought it would pass. Building me up for all that you do. But I won't waste one single word. Take me down, rising from eternal hate. Please don't leave me suffering from your toxic bliss. Now you finally went and made your own way, taking with you lies that would sting. Wishing you could strike it all away. place where we decided to stay. A few times down, you get to pay. Looking at you, tell me, what do you see? This lurking terror, trying to be. Don't leave me suffering from your toxic bliss. I should have loved you better. I should have held you tight. I should have been there on those long and lonely nights. I should have read your letters. I should have picked up the phone. I should have stayed with you. I didn't have to go. And if there was a way, I'd do it all again. But I don't think that I ever told you what you meant to me. 'Cause I remember when you pulled me back, got my head on straight. Can I get back to you somehow? Is it too late to tell you now? Too late to tell you now. Wish I could see you smile. Wish I could hold your hand. Wish I could go back and make you understand.